We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Monocular Telescope High Power 8x42. This compact monocular is designed for adults and kids alike, offering an 8x magnification with a 42 mm objective lens, providing a wide 360 feet view at 1,000 yards. Its high-quality optics include fully multi-coated FMC lenses and a back 4-green film prism, which ensures excellent light transmission and clarity. The device is built to endure outdoor conditions with waterproof, fog-proof, dust-proof, and shock-proof features thanks to its nitrogen-filled body and rubber armor finish. This makes it ideal for activities like birdwatching, hunting, hiking, camping, and wildlife observation. Users consistently praise the clarity of the image and the wide field of view, noting that the monocular delivers sharp and bright visuals even in low-light conditions. The 8x42 configuration strikes a good balance between magnification and ease of use, allowing for handheld operation without excessive shake. The adjustable eye cups accommodate users with or without glasses, and the rubber grip with stripes enhances handling stability. The monocular is lightweight and compact, measuring approximately 5.7 inches in length and weighing just over 10 ounces, making it easy to carry on outdoor adventures. The focus control is generally regarded as well-placed and intuitive, allowing quick and precise adjustments. Many users appreciate the included hand strap and carrying case, which add convenience and protection during transport. Additionally, the monocular features a tripod connector for steady viewing when mounted, expanding its usability for longer observation sessions. While most reviews highlight the monocular's excellent value for the price, some users mention a minor issue with the eye relief distance. Even with the eye cup fully extended, some find they must hold the monocular slightly away from the eye, which can cause difficulty in maintaining a steady image, and occasionally results in seeing a distracting edge or ring around the view. This has been noted in reviews dating back a few years and appears not to have been addressed by the manufacturer. Despite this, many users find the overall performance satisfactory enough to keep the product. The build quality is solid for the price point, with the monocular feeling durable and well-made. It is not considered a professional-grade scope, but is more than adequate for casual users and enthusiasts. Some reviews suggest that serious birdwatchers or professional users might prefer a higher-end model, but for general outdoor use, this monocular performs admirably. Several users mention using the monocular for unique purposes, such as watching television from a distance due to vision issues, monitoring bird baths, or even moon watching. The versatility of this monocular is a strong point, making it a practical gift for family and friends who enjoy outdoor activities or need a handy optical tool. Customer service and warranty support are also positively noted, with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty providing peace of mind. The product is well packaged and arrives promptly, adding to the overall positive experience. In summary, the Monocular Telescope High Power 8x42 is a well-rounded, affordable, and durable monocular that delivers clear, bright images with a wide field of view. It is suitable for a variety of outdoor activities, easy to handle with one hand, and comes with useful accessories. While it has a minor drawback regarding eye relief, its strengths in optics, build quality, and versatility make it a recommended choice for casual users and outdoor enthusiasts. If you own this monocular, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel.